Alrighty guys, I got my seedlings started and I got my greenhouse up. Y'all want to take a look? I haven't got anything planted in them yet, but I'm getting ready to. But I got my greenhouse up. Let's go look. Alright, before we go down, I'm going to show you the temperature outside. Then I'm going to go down there and show you what the temperature is in the greenhouse. Yeah, it looks like it's about 42. Let's go down there and see what the temperature is in the greenhouse. Down here to the greenhouse. It got her up. Me and my daughter got it up yesterday. I think it looks really good. Got the concrete block foundation. Then I put 2x4 down. It's not perfect, but I think it looks great. It's a 10 by 20, and I want to thank CB's Greenhouse for turning me on to the company I bought this from. And at the end, I'll tell you the company's name because I can't remember what it is. But I got this about 2 weeks ago and finally got it put up this weekend. But we got her up. Yeah, my daughter and me both just worked our little hearts out on it. Poor thing. I think I wore her out. She carried, I got 50 blocks, and she carried all 50 of them from here, from all the way up to the front of the house. She said she's got muscles now. All right, well, let's go in and I'll show you what's going on inside. Oh yeah, before I do that there, this is one thing I don't like about the greenhouse, and maybe next year I'll redo it, but these zippers, I don't think they'll last very long. Yeah, let me unzip that and we'll go in. Alrighty, we're in, and my glasses just fogged up, so it must be pretty warm in here. But this is the inside of it. I got the landscape fabric, got it all down. Got the greenhouse mounted to the 2x4, plus I also got rebar going down into the ground 2 foot through the concrete, or through the concrete blocks. We can tell that sun's beating down good. Let's go over here and see what the temperature is. Like I said, it's 42. Look at that. It's 82 degrees in here already. This is gonna be nice. But on that back wall, I've got a bench that I'm gonna put around the back wall where I can do my seedlings and all that. And then on either the long walls, I'm gonna put concrete blocks about 2.5 foot out, and then I'm gonna fill them with dirt, and I'm gonna use them as my raised beds on both sides. And through the center, I'm thinking about just doing buckets, but I'm not for sure. But yeah, this is my greenhouse. Got her up. This plastic, I mean, it is strong. It's got that fiber that goes through it. Let me get this turned around and I'll talk to you for a minute. Alrighty, guys. I mean, it took us probably about all together with the concrete blocks, laying the flooring, and the greenhouse and everything, probably about 6 to 8 hours. I didn't really count, but I didn't film any of it because I don't know what the heck I was doing, so I was just going by what I thought it should be. I was cutting the rebar and something funny happened. You see right there, the hole? I caught myself on fire. Yeah, I was sitting there, I was grinding that, cutting them rebar. I thought I was over this right here, but I guess my coat was hanging a little bit too far. And about that time I felt something real warm right there. I looked down and it was a flame, and I was like, oh God, I was patting and everything. Oh man, but I ain't gonna tell you what my daughter called me. All right, well, I'm gonna get in the house and I'm gonna find out the company that I bought this from, and I'll put I'll put a link down below for it, and I'll also put a link for CB's greenhouse. So I will talk to you here in a second. Guys, this is the website I got my greenhouse off of. I'll leave a link down below. This is the one that CB's Greenhouse and Garden gave me, and so far I am really pleased. But there's nope, that's not it. Where's the one I had? Right there. That one right there is the one I bought, and right now it is $175.99. I paid $189.95, but I think they're having a special on it now. Or no, no, that's right, because it's $189 and I got the 5% off, so I paid $175. All right. Well, here's the website, and I'll put a link down below, and I'll also put a link down below for CB's Greenhouse and Gardens. I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great week. See y'all later.